Now we will see what is called the Excel intermediate. Excel intermediate mainly concentrate only the formulas, so not like basic. So total pay is equal to pay per hour into hours worked. We want to multiply. We want to get, so total pay is equal to what? Pay per hour into hours worked, equal to sign. Always formula equal to sign. Select this one. Select only the cell. Multiplication symbol. Press it, the keyboard, and select this. Don't type 5 into 38. Don't do it. Like this you do using the cell value and drag it. Keep your cursor here. We already told. So like this you should drag it. Clear? So automatically you see C6, D6, D7, C7. Like this the formula will apply in all cells. Next question. Total deduction. Total pay into tax. Use absolute reference. What is absolute reference? We see here. Total deduction. So total pay into multiply. This is my tax. Clear? This is my tax. Generally absolute reference means it won't change. You never change because it should be there. So what I want to do is before C, keep it cursor here. Can you see? I keep my cursor here. So press F4, function key. F4 means some student press F letter and then 4. No. F4 is a function key. The topmost keyboard you can see F4. Then dollar will come. This is called absolute reference. So now I will show you. If you click this one and drag this one. If you do like this, what will happen is always C3. See here? Always C3. The only cell is E7. Next one is E8. Like this, another cell will be changing, but this cell value won't change. That is static. This is called absolute. It won't change. It always shows C3. That's why we are putting. So what is the thing I want to do it? Here I will keep my cursor and keep your cursor here and press F4. Press F4. That is what the absolute reference. Next question. Take home pay. Total pay minus deduction plus total pay divided by 2 into this. This same thing type as it is. Nothing else. So total pay is equal to what? Total pay. So now I want to go here. As usual, equal to sign total pay minus sign total deduction. Clear? So plus, go inside. Clear or not? So what is the formula again? You see total pay, same parenthesis is 2 brackets, use it. Total pay divided by 2 into 2. So now I will do total pay, select only this one, divided by 2. Here one bracket is missing, 2 brackets start. So I will put it here, another bracket, divided by 2. And what we do? Multiply by what? 0.2 I think. 0.2. Correct or not? So multiply 0.2, 0.2. Close the bracket. So here bracket is very important. Always parenthesis. How many open? That much you should close. Here I open, here I am closing, here I am opening, here I am closing. Clear or not? So this is what formula. Drag it as usual. Drag it, apply here. Are you understanding? This is what my exercise number 2. So this is way I make enlarge for you for understanding. Next is completely what? Format all data, all column with the word pay with currency having 3 decimal points. This is very easy. So pay. Where is pay here? Pay with currency. Total pay. Select. Clear or not? Where is this number? Go here. See here arrow mark. Can you see? Arrow mark. 3-digit number. They said 3-digit number. So go to 3-digit number. Number. Here number. Number. Can you getting? 3-digit number. Number. 3-digit. Increase 1 decimal. 3. Take positive. And then what I want? Currency OMR. Currency. Select currency. Here go and press O in the keyboard. Automatically OMR will come. So give OK. You can see. Again I will explain. Select this one. Go here. In the number select 3 decimal. Positive number. Currency go. And here. Otherwise you can, this way also you can go. But it takes time. Instead of that, press O. Automatically OMR will come and select it and give OK. Understood? This is the method. Next one. And use appropriate function, calculate total. Now total, average, minimum, maximum, count. If this is what the functions. So what is the total? Total of each column. I want to do total of each column. Here you see. How many things total? Total means here you see auto sum. The function name is called sum. Automatically you can see sum. This is called C5 colon C11 is called range, data range, which I want to make sum. I want to make C5 to C11. That is the meaning. Sum. Clear? So again you can do it like this. Drag it. Everything drag it. Clear? This is what. Now we can go average. Same thing. Average means average formula. What you do first one? First thing give equal to sum. That is very important formula. Average. Automatically you see average is coming. Select. Brackets will come automatically. So you should select only the range. Up to this. Close it. That is very important. Close it. Clear? That's all. So average. Average is an average function. Clear or not? This is what we do. Next one is minimum. Minimum of this one. So minimum means what? Min equal to M-I-N. Minimum. Can you see? Minimum function. Again, in this which is minimum value? 4 is the minimum value here. So I will select here. Minimum. Can you see? Here which is the minimum 126. Can you see? 26. Clear? This way the minimum value will appear. Maximum. Can you guess it? Maximum, which is the function? Max. That is function name. M-A-X. Max. Clear or not? Max. Click it. Automatically it will come. Which is a maximum value? 8. So here I will select. Okay, fine. Don't write a maximum value like this. So this is a function name. You see, max like this. So like this. Clear or not? So total means sum. You can see sum. Average means average. Minimum means min. Maximum means max. 4 function we did. Next function is called count A. Count A means alphabet. Suppose I want to count how many number of workers here. Worker names are characters. Correct or not? So alphabet. A means alphabet. Count A. There is lot of count is there. Count A, count if, count blank and all. Now we are using count A. Count A will count how many workers are here. Better I will do it here. Here I will do. Then it is appropriate. Count A I will do. I will select this one. Count A. I will select how many employees are there. Select this one. So I will give count A. 6 employees. I want to count numbers. That time I will use what? Count, not A. Count. Count means number. Correct? Count A means alphabet counting. Count. You can see. Automatically see count A, count if, lot of count functions there. So you should select appropriate. Count. Go and select how many numbers you have. I have selected here. How many numbers? 6 numbers. Right. Difference between count A and count you should know. Count A means only character it will count, character values. So this is what count here. If is a very important function. If function. What is saying? If my pay is greater than 180, then give good salary. Otherwise give low salary. Like it is programming language. So if function. Here I will use it. If my salary. This is what my question. So if my salary, that is 180. If. So what is a function I will use? Here I will type. If equal to, as usual, if. Automatically if is coming. See here. If. Logical test. What is my logical test? My pay is greater than, think that, greater than, lesser than, generally student domestic, here greater than 180. This is the first one. What is next one? If it is true, if it is false. You see the formula itself. If it is true, what I want to do? If it is true means good salary. False means what? Low salary. Clear or not? See the formula. Read the formula. Don't boycott. Comma, double quotes, give good salary. If it is correct, my condition is satisfied, give good salary. If it is true. Can you see here? The bottom. Can you see here? This is what formula is coming. False means what I should give? Comma. I'll give double quotes. That is very important. Low salary. Understood? This what? If is my condition. First is my condition. This what? I'll give it. What is coming? Good salary. 192 is good salary. Suppose I will drag it here. Which is low salary? 182. 140. 140. 140. Which is, I will check like this. I will check. And I will paste it here. So I will select like this. good salary, this is not good salary, 180 greater than E6, it's coming E7, this is E7, E7 value is coming here, clear or not? One value is less, so I am not taken properly. Now I take it, if again I will do logical test, this value E5 is greater than 180, comma, comma, if it is there, what, low salary, clear, close it, low salary. What is the problem here? It is I given single quotes, can you see, error will come, so we can understand why error, double quotes, understood? This is good. Now I can do drag one by one, good salary, yes, low salary, because 140, again good salary, again what, good salary, again good salary, correct, this one. So we should select proper cell. Generally this we do mistake, that's why I am showing again with errors. So single quotes mistake, comma, we won't give comma by mistake, we won't close properly, another cell we type, all these things happening, that's why I am showing. So this is another one. So now we can show here, up to this we can put one part, correct or not, or up to this we can make another part as a what, intermediate second part. So this is, I will finish this video up to part 1 of this one, up to part 1 I will finish, part 2 again I will do as a conditions, condition formatting, everything I will do it, clear or not? So still now I will close this one.